you, Melvin.
You're welcome.
Well guys, let's take the GTR to the auto body shop and let's get the engine bay, the wheel wells and the underside repainted and restored and looking sexy. Drop my drive shaft and the HKS exhaust all the way out so we can get access to everything. Guys, I've been waiting for this since I've had issues with my engine almost 3 years ago. It's been a slow, hard grind. And thank you to all you guys that have watched the channel that have stuck with this. This has got to be the slowest GTR build that anybody's ever done on YouTube. But it all costs money and it takes, you know, time to save that money to put towards the build. So let's catch back up with you guys at the body shop. So the car's here at the shop. This is Adam. He towed it. Nice guy towing. Check him out. Thanks, Adam. Appreciate you, man.
Thank you. Good job.
Well, guys, we've made it to Darnell's Auto Body. This is in downtown Tacoma. The GTR is here, and it's ready to get all the work refinished on it. All right, guys. So this is Doug from Darnell's, and he's taking a look at the car to go over kind of what we're going to fix here.
So when we go to paint, this is always included. We're doing the side apron here, and we're going to be backmasking here so we don't leave lines.
Okay.
Right here.
All the way up to the top.
Yep. Go around here, mask up this, pull that back.
Okay.
And then we'll seam seal where we have to, clean all that up.
How's this corrosion look to you? Is that just pretty typical from what you see?
That's just surface.
Okay.
Yeah. It's not coming up from underneath. It's just surface. So we'll wire wheel all that. And we will do the complete engine bay, drop the cross member.
And then I just left the string rack, it's just lightly connected, so I'm not sure if you want to disconnect it to paint that area.
We will.
I had to get the lines and stuff out, and then I just left these kind of loose so you can undercoat around them and stuff like that.
Yeah, because basically when we're ready, this thing's going to be somewhat jacked up.
Yeah.
So I can get up underneath there and what have you.
Okay. So excited. That's the paint drip from when he does all the different paint color mixing.
Yeah, come on.
Take a quick peek around the shop while we're here. Here's another R32 GT-R that's having some work done, so you can see they've got it up on like a dolly roller, and you can see definitely this has some very extensive corrosion compared to my R32, so I'm feeling pretty blessed and pretty lucky with what I got because my car is all perfect in this area. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I think we're definitely at the right place because these guys do R32 GTRs all the time for UP Garage, and that's how I got introduced to Darnell's Auto Body and introduced to Doug. And he did some work on my GTR before in the past and repainted the stuff for my S14 when I had it. So get all the different paints and everything back here, all the different color mixing that they do, all the different stuff. And then this is another UP Garage car over here. So this one's going to be a donor car. So yeah. Well, we're going to leave the GTR in Doug's hands, and we'll be back to see what progress he's made here. Oh yeah, and I'll leave Darnell's information for Darnell's Auto Body if you guys want to go and get any work done on any of your cars locally here, Seattle, Tacoma. Check out Doug at Darnell's. Well, that's going to be it, guys. I'm going to end today's video here. Just kind of a quick update with where we're at with the GTR engine bay paint and kind of restoration that we're doing to the car to help preserve it for the build. Guys, leave me some comments down below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Share the channel with your friends. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. You're gonna miss the downtown Tacoma. This is the city if I go out or like to go, you know, hang out with my friends, my boys, get some drinks, go out to dinner. Tacoma's always been the place that I enjoy doing it. Seattle's kind of a shithole, so I usually don't go down there, but definitely gonna miss T-Town.
I'm good at that. I am hard to get.